To have Lose It figure out your calorie budget for you, tap on your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Edit Profile. Select Weight Loss Plan. Fill out all details within the About You section, including your current activity level by adjusting the slider. Scroll all the way down and enter your desired weight under Weight Loss Goal. Under My Calorie Budget, ensure your budget type is set to Standard Default. Adjust the slider underneath it to your desired goal. Lose It will now calculate your calorie budget automatically based on the details you have provided. By using this method, Lose It will auto-adjust the calorie budget over time based on your changes in weight. To set a fixed calorie budget, tap on your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Edit Profile. Scroll down to Weight Loss Plan and tap on it. Scroll down to Budget Type and tap. Select Fix and tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. You will return to the previous screen. Now again under Calorie Budget, you have the option of changing your default calories and tap Save. This number will remain fixed and will not change until you decide to change it yourself. To spread out your calorie budget between meals, select your Log tab. Under any of your meals, where it says Calories Now Available, tap on that. You can see your total calorie allotment at the bottom of the day. To modify the calorie budget on a meal-by-meal basis, select either percent or calories based on your preferences. For this example, I will use calories. Make your desired adjustments. You will notice if there is a discrepancy of calories, it will show at the bottom below your total. Ensure that you allocate all of your budgeted calories to your meals so that the totals match. These numbers should now show up under your meals within the logger itself. Take note that if you go over or under on one of your meals for the day, that Lose It will auto-adjust your calories for the remaining meals to keep you on budget.